Morning.
Such a gorgeous morning. We're trying to make some coffee right now. Setting up the percolator. We're gonna get the fire going. I think this is gonna be a little too tall for the percolator, so we're probably gonna have to just bring out the stove and get some coffee going. But we got here last night super late again, like always, because we're basically weekend warriors and couldn't find the campsite. We were driving around. We got into this little nook, which we thought was a campsite. It wasn't, but this is the actual campsite, so much bigger. And this morning, to our surprise, we woke up, water access is right there, we're shaded, all is well, man. It's gonna be a beautiful day. So
Cheers.
the percolator is definitely gonna sit way too high on top of this 1 pound propane, so we're just gonna use the stove. Going on right now?
Well, my hammock ropes weren't long enough for that tree or that tree. So Theo haggard it by taking his straps and tied to the tree. And I just looped in his straps. So hopefully when I sit on it, I don't fall.
Yeah, so it's just like an extension of the ropes. We have a lot going on this morning. Are you happy, buddy? Good job. So we haggard the hammock straps a little bit. The trees are a bit too far, so I let Cass use my hammock strap. This is mine, the one, and this is hers. And then we have one of her other hammock straps hanging out over there, holding her up, and Sherman. And for me, are you being goofy? Hey, buddy. For my setup, I have my strap right there, but I am using Sherman's metal dog leash, so it's working so far. I mean, we got the entire thing set up right next to the water. Really can't complain, man. It's gonna be a good day. So the really cool thing about this campsite is that you can go dirt biking, you can go ATVing, you can go off-roading. There's an outside shooting range, so you have it all. When you are driving to your site, it's pretty private, meaning you are taking these back roads all the way through to your campsite. But yeah, if you have like a sedan or a smaller vehicle, probably not the best idea to like come to this site. You definitely need like you know, an all-wheel drive vehicle that's a little bit bigger. But yeah, we are gonna go swimming at the beach access now. We're gonna have some lunch there and have a good old day. So here's the lake. It's a decent size. You can go fishing off the pier over there, and then if you keep driving down, the lake access or the beach access is gonna be right down by that nook over there. So we usually come here in the fall, and we've never come here during the summer, so we've actually never gone into the lake. So we're super excited to see how it is and what the vibe is. Are you a little cold?
Just a little bit.
Yeah? What happened?
Sherwin sat in my lap and got me all sandy, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna go in. And so I went all the way under, and then I came out, and the air is chilly, and I have goosebumps.
You do have goosebumps. Oh, God. I don't know, man. I like the cold water, so I think it's perfect, but to each their own. So being by the water was super fun. Beautiful day. It was like 75 the whole day. The sun was out. It was a complete bluebird. Had a blast. Sherman was in the water. Made a few friends on the water. Now we're just showering. Cass is in the shower right now. And they're very, very clean, man. So like some of these roads over here are the off-roading roads that you can take if you have a dirt bike, if you got a Jeep, ATV, whatever you want to do, right? Showers right here, and it's just completely open. It's super, super nice. Outhouse. We got the van over here right now. Sherman's hanging out. Before we go back, we're gonna make some dinner, but we just left the whole camper sort of in night mode. We didn't put it up to a bench. We're like, we don't really want to mess with that later tonight because it's just a lot of work, so we left it the way it is. The fridge is working pretty fine. So yeah, man, we're gonna go cook some food, do our thing, probably hang out in the hammock, make some coffee, and then call it a night. So we'll bring you along.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that we I feel alive. saw you walking the light, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be